Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this weekly market performance update provided by Teroxx, and this is what we're going to talk about today. First of all, let us take a look on the market capitalization as well as to take a look on the performance of the top 10 tokens and coins. We will lead over to a short analysis of BTC Ethereum and having a winner and a loser of this week, as well as talking about a gem or a good project I wanted to show you. Here we can see the total market capitalization performance of the last 7 days. What we can see over here in this chart, it went straight upwards. We began this week with 187 billion USD. At the peak we were at 263, and now we are at around 250 levels. So all in all, this is a plus of 33% in a week on the market capitalization, and this implements a great and good week for us or for all people who are aware of cryptos. If we're taking a look on the BTC Dominance as well, we can easily see that we started this week with 57.24% BTC dominance, and at the peak we were at 60.5% BTC dominance, and this was an increase of the BTC dominance again of 3%. And how you can see over here, Bitcoin Cash whole market capitalization at 3% of the whole market. So Bitcoin managed to gain again the whole market capitalization of Bitcoin Cash or Litecoin. Of course, due to this, the altcoin market was not good up to this moment, but how you as well can see the market dominance of BTC went down again, went down to 55.9%, and now we are at 56.6%. And this meant, if we think that the market capitalization went straight upward, that the altcoins recovered, and there was a quite good week for BTC trading as well as for USDT trading, and this was long time not seen. We take now a look on the 7-day performance of the top 10. We can see that all the coins are definitely in a great plus. There is no one who could not follow the market. We have BTC with 32.7%. Ethereum went 50% upwards, as well as Stellar Lumens, and all the other coins are up more than 25%. Even Binance Coin managed to have 24.3% after the hack and after this bad news. So all in all, you can see over here, it was a great week for USD pair. And how you may saw as well, this is the BTC trade part. The BTC was not the strongest gainer, so a few coins managed to be profitable against BTC. Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano and Stellar. Of course, some performed worse than BTC, so against BTC they are in a minus. But all in all, over here you can see that there were quite good options to trade against BTC to accumulate some BTCs, even if not for long term, but maybe for a day trade or a trade for 1 or 2 hours. All in all, how you can see, a great week, and if you invested against USD, you should be in great profits after this week. Now let's talk about winner and loser of this week, and this is definitely easy. Winner, the whole crypto market. Loser, no one. This is the first time we're having a scenario like this since I'm doing this video, and how I showed you, the whole crypto market shot up. There was nearly no loser. Of course, some coins performed not so good as others, but all in all, this week was quite good. Now analyze BTC and Ethereum. I put these both because they attract the most attention and the people want to see this. So all in all, what we can see over here is that the BTC went straight upwards last week. Okay, so if we're starting this week around the 8th of May, we can easily see that there was a huge spike in the price, and over here you can see we are up more than 35% in a week, and we're having the line down here at 5,200, as well as to have it at 6,350. And if you want to have an other one before the 6,833, as well as to have one for short time trading at 7,725. These were the support lines, and of course the resistance line is the last peak. It's nearly at 8,300, and what we can see in this 4-hour chart, the RSI is at the 57 level. So over here it's quite a bullish scenario, and you can easily see that it's not overbought. So here is space to grow. If there are any good news or something coming along, this price can definitely go up again. Of course, after such a rally, always play safe, always try to catch dips, don't invest blind, always take a look on the market. But all in all, if there is no fraud or bad news, this can go up. As well, we can see the moving average 50 line is above the moving average 140 line, and the gap between these lines is very huge. So all in all, we can see that this week was quite good and that the last 50 days were quite bullish and positive. Now let's talk about Ethereum, and how you can see over here the price went crazy last week. So overall we have support lines at around 150, 167, 184, and now there is no real support line between this peak at 270 and this support line at 184. So all in all, how you can see, the rally went straight upwards, and just in this short time frame Ethereum managed to be 46% in profit. So all in all, this price went crazy, and how you can see over here the RSI is quite at a high level. So over here there can be another bullish moment for Ethereum, but all in all Ethereum went up a lot. So play safe. If you into this, you can easily book profits now. If not, wait for another dip, due to this is nearly a train that is already gone. The moving average 50 is of course above the moving average 140 line. This implements again a very bullish scenario of the last days. And here, how you can see, this was quite interesting, it was quite good. And how I said, after the BTC Dominance went a little down a few days ago, the altcoins like Ethereum and Ripple shot up and used this to gain good price levels. So all in all, you can see on these both charts, the week was quite good. Now let's talk about a hidden gem or project I want to show you. A lot of you will know this. It's Waves, and Waves is quite interesting. Due to Waves is high volatile, so we are having huge up and downs over here, so it's nice to trade. And Wave is always coming along with something new, so this team is working very hard, and this team wants to change something, and it's definitely worth if you can take a look on this. So Waves was designed from scratch for storing, managing, and issuing digital assets, and it's an open source decentralized blockchain platform, and there you can create your own internal digital currency. And this is quite interesting due to you can use your own ideas or your own projects built on the Waves platform to have a good start and good entry point. They can give you already something, so you don't have to start from nothing. And yeah, you just need to install extensions and then you can easily start. So if you're interested, take a look on this. This is quite interesting for everyone who's into the crypto space, and definitely worth to take a deeper look on. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked this. We loved the last week, and I would love if you could share, like, and comment this video, and we will hear us next time when it comes to weekly market performance provided by Teroxx.